Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to discuss about a supplement which is called Gandha Thailam, which is an Ayurvedic medicine. So we're going to discuss the benefits, dosage, how to use it, the ingredients of it, and if there is any side effects. Let's get started. Before we start, let's see the description. You can pause this video and read the description about Gandha Thailam. Let's talk about the benefits of Gandha Thailam. So it has four benefits. The first benefits will be healing. So in case if you have any fractures, existing fractures or strains, this can stimulate your healing faster. That's right. In case if you're using this supplement, the healing process will be faster. The second one, it actually strengthen your bones and joints. That's right. In case if you're using it, if you have any weak bones or weak joints, this will help to strengthen. So next will be if you have any like bad joints due to age or vata, this will actually help you to strengthen even that as well. In case if you're aged person, you have joint pains, you can use the supplement. And next will it is act as in vitamin D and calcium supplement. In case if you have any a nutrition deficiency like vitamin D and calcium, you're going to use this in order to fulfill that two vitamins and calcium. Let's talk about how to use this Gandha Thailam. So this, in case if you're an adult, you're going to use 5 to 7 drops added in the lukewarm water. It's not boiled water, it's lukewarm water, preferably on empty stomach or as per your physician says. In case if you're using this for children, use 3 to 5 drops of Gandha Thailam added in the same lukewarm water, preferably on empty stomach, nor as directed by your physician. This is the key ingredients of Gandha Thailam. One is Krishna Tila, Bala and Rasa and cow's milk. In case if you want to know more about it, you're gonna click in the link in the description in order to buy this product.